Welcome to StressStimulus video training. In this video, I will show you how to record and parameterize a script for performance testing Microsoft D365 Business Central. The challenge of its load testing is that this application utilizes WebSocket protocol. It is notoriously complex for scripting because unlike other web protocols, it uses two-way communication between a client and a server. However, StressStimulus shields this complexity and handles all script correlations automatically, so no manual scripting is necessary. I will record a scenario that creates sales quotes here. In StressStimulus, I click on the recorder to start the recording wizard. Enter a test case name. Create sales quote. Select a web browser, Microsoft Edge, and click Next. Enter the URL and the name of the first transaction, landing page. Click here to open the browser and start recording. In the StressStimulus recorder, add transaction, login, and enter the credentials. Once the application loads, add transaction all sales quotes and click on Sales Quotes. Transaction New Sales Quote and click New. Transaction customer number and enter the number 20,000. Transaction line item. Add transaction quantity and enter 14. Add transaction save. To save the quote record, click the back button. Log out and sign out. Click the stop button to end the recording. The StressStimulus proprietary autocorrelation engine is scanning the script and creating correlation rules automatically. The progress bar indicates numerous autocorrelation parameters have been configured. Unless all necessary parameters for this scenario are created correctly, the script will fail, and load testing will not be possible. Creating such parameters manually, without autocorrelation capability in the testing tool, is very time-consuming. Now, let's verify the script by playing it back to ensure it is properly correlated. The verification shows no errors. Now let's check if the script created a new quote. I go back to the quote page and refresh it. And there are two identical quotes were created, one during recording and another one during script playback. Now, let's create two parameters by adding some data to the script. I will parameterize the customer number with a dataset and the quantity with a random data generator. I navigate to the dataset section. Let's open a dataset containing a list of customers. Click the Import button. I will use a CSV file. Enter the path. Finish the wizard with all defaults. Next, let's search the requests for the recorded customer number, 20,000. StressStimulus highlights the WebSocket frame with this customer number. Right-click on it and select Create a Parameter. In the Parameter dialog, right-click on the selected text and replace it with the dataset column. Now let's parameterize the quantity. Navigate to the Data Generator section and create a new data generator. Select integer and set the min and max to 7 and 12. Name it Quantity. In the text case tree, expand the quantity transaction. Right-click on the client WebSocket frame, and select Create a Parameter. In the Parameter dialog, select the recorded quantity 14. Right-click and replace it with the data generator quantity. As you can see, WebSockets are parameterized like regular requests. Verify again to ensure that the parameters are created correctly. The verification reported no errors. Let's also check in the browser that one more quote was created. Refreshing? The new record was created with a different customer number from the dataset. Click to confirm it has a random quantity from data generator. Now this test case is ready for load testing. Let's review the main takeaways. D365 Business Central uses WebSockets, which are bidirectional and are more difficult to load test. StressStimulus simplifies WebSocket scripting. Script correlation is automatic. Script parameterization is as easy as with regular requests. Complete scripting is included with support. Thank you for watching.